Hello, good morning children. I am going to teach you today about your chapter number 15, part 3rd. That is the biodiversity, life on the earth. Biodiversity and life on the earth. Its next part that is very very important, biome. Biome is a large area where animals, plants are living. Mean to say a large area covered by the community of plants and animals. That area is called biome. That is the very very important part of our geography, because for basically whatsoever we study animals, plants, their area according to their growth, geographical features, that all over embraced by our geography. To know about this is very very important. And today I am going to teach you about the different types of the biome that are found where. Like for its detailed study at world level, you will study in your next book, second book, that is fundamental geography. Here in physical geography and economy, I tell you regarding their physics, we can say that कि कहाँ होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, like that. So in this way, this biome is a large community of animals and plants. Hopefully, you have understood under the geographical area, large community of animals and plants. Okay students, now next I am going to teach you about its types of the biome. Major, there are 8 types of biome. Yes dear students, there are major 8 types of this biome I am going to teach you. First one is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest. Second one is savan, tropical savan forest. Third one is Mediterranean scrub forest. Fourth one is deciduous forest. And fifth one is grasslands. And seventh one is desert. It is desert. Eighth one is taiga. And seventh one is taiga. And eighth one is tundra. Listen once again. Tropical rainforest. This one's tropical savans. Third one is Mediterranean scrub forest. Fourth one is deciduous forest. Fifth one is grasslands. As we know about the grasslands of the world, somewhere it is called pampas, steppes, prairies, veldt, like that you have studied earlier. Now also we will study deeply. And desert type of forest found in the desert area, like in India also. Taiga and tundra. Tundra region is very very important for this forest, right? So you have to prepare each type of forest 3 marks question. 3 mark question you have to prepare on each and every type of forest. Now let us move towards the map work. I will teach you all these locations with the help of world map. Let us move to that area. Yes dear students, please see, this is world political map. World political map. I have tried to highlight some points according to your forest, for the study of the forest. This one first circle that I have drawn, it is about it is not the area, I have just taken the latitudinal value of that. Okay, area I will tell you with the help of this marker. First देखो, this is tropical rainforest. This is tropical rainforest. This tropical rainforest based upon biome, right? So whatsoever area comes under the category of biome, whatsoever area comes under the category of biome, more than half of that. Please don't consider it area wise, just I have drawn it to highlight that particular latitudinal longitudinal value. If I ask you this area extends near the equator, this is the equator, 0 degree equator, right? यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये 0 डिग्री इक्वेटर होता है, तो इसके 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ और 10 डिग्री साउथ, mean to say approximately 20 degree of latitude, 10 degree north and 10 degree south these tropical rainforests are found. These tropical rainforests are found in the and more covering about 8% area of whole of the earth, covering the 8% area of earth, and this area, this is 10 degrees north latitudinal value and 10 degrees south latitudinal value, approximately 200 centimeter rainfall is there, and such type of jungle forest trees are there. And this is the jungle as of the tangled sun loving woody climbers, also called the Lilians. Animal life is abundant and diversity is there. This is the one unique feature over there, that there is a diversity among the plants as well as the animals. And there is recently there is rain is uneven sometime, and there is high humidity, right? इसमें हमने we know that this area nearby equator full of humidity. There is one area you have studied, that Democratic Republic of Congo, जिसे हम जायरे भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. यहाँ डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो, ये देखो साउथ अफ्रीका का एरिया है यहाँ पे कॉन्गो में. तो यहाँ हम लोगों ने पहले अर्लियर क्लासेस में पढ़ा, मैंने आपको क्लास में भी बताया था. दिस एरिया रिसीव्स 3 daily rain due to humidity, right? It is Democratic Republic of Congo and earlier its name was Zaire, ठीक है, जिसे जायरे बोलते थे, ZAIRE. यहाँ डेली टाइप रेन होती है. तो इन दिस वे दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट. एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इसमें बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स और ये लिंचेस इस टाइप के एनिमल्स भी होते हैं, मंकी होते हैं, स्नेक्स होते हैं, आंट ईटर एनिमल्स होते हैं, ट्रॉपिकल बर्ड्स होते हैं. तो 70 to 80% ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट यहाँ अकर होते हैं in this area. Not only this particular circular area, whole of the area from this equator, ठीक है, जितना भी इक्वेटर से लेके यहाँ तक हमारा पूरा वर्ल्ड का है, और पूरे वर्ल्ड में 10 डिग्री नॉर्थ एंड 10 डिग्री साउथ दिस टाइप ऑफ forests are found. Our next is tropical savan. Second type is tropical savan forest that I have tried to show you. Once again, a reminder, dear students, don't consider this particular area for this. Only I have marked this arrow, whole of this map, right? So this is, it starts from 5 degree north to 30 degree north, exactly same way. 0 डिग्री इक्वेटर से लेके 5 डिग्री के बाद 5 डिग्री साउथ टू 30 डिग्री, 5 डिग्री साउथ टू 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ तक ये जो हमारे फॉरेस्ट है, दिस फॉरेस्ट इज़ वाइड स्प्रेडेड 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ. देखो यहाँ तक 40 डिग्री है, तो 40 से थोड़ा नीचे तक ही रहेगा हमारा 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ, 30 डिग्री नॉर्थ एंड 30 डिग्री साउथ. 5 डिग्री से शुरू होता है दिस मच एरिया. इससे ये ट्रॉपिकल हमारा जो सावन फॉरेस्ट है इस टाइप से होते हैं. यहाँ टेम्परेचर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस रहता है. तो यहाँ पे एक पार्टिकुलर टाइप की लैंड होती है वेयर द वेजिटेशन इज रिच ग्रोथ टू ऑफ टॉल टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज, ग्रास, ठीक है, नॉट ट्री, ग्रास होता है, टॉल टाइप ग्रास अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1.5 मीटर से लेके 3 मीटर तक, 1.5 मीटर से लेकर अप टू 3 मीटर लॉन्ग ग्रास इज फाउंड ओवर देयर एंड दैट पार्टिकुलर लैंड इज नोन एज पार्क लैंड. मैंने इसमें हाईलाइट भी किया हुआ है, दिस लैंड इज नोन एज पार्क लैंड. नोट डाउन इट फॉर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. So in this way there is a clump of such type of trees and that's why it is known as parkland. Zebra, giraffe, elephant and several other kinds of animals are found over there. And for this savan tropical forest में कंगारू भी होते हैं, right? कंगारू, that is the main value of Australia, right? Australia also come in this category that 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस के 30 डिग्री जो हमारा लैटिट्यूडनल वैल्यू है वहीं पे कवर करता है. रिमाइंडर फॉर यू डियर स्टूडेंट, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया, दिस इज़ होल ऑफ दिस इक्वेटर एरिया. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जितने भी एरियाज आते हैं तो उसके मेज़रमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग इस टाइप के जो फॉरेस्ट हैं वहाँ पाए जाते हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ दैट इज़ आवर Mediterranean scrub forest. As it is clear from the name Mediterranean scrub forest, these are from equator to 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस 40 डिग्री लैटिट्यूडनल वैल्यू तक होते हैं. इक्वेटर 0 डिग्री से लेके 40 डिग्री तक ये होते हैं, राइट. इन एरिया में पाए जाएंगे, यहाँ पूरे एरिया में, हियर, राइट, इन दिस वे, दिस एरिया. And you know that in this area India also comes in this category. Then in the same way from 0 degree equator to 40 degrees south, this type of forests are found. Very unique feature. I have noted down that whatsoever area towards the north, same area towards the south. And as it is clear from name, I want to show you that it is Mediterranean Sea. ठीक है. जो हम साउथ अफ्रीका का ये मैप देखते हैं उसमें हमारे पास इधर सऊदी अरेबिया लाइक इंडिया के राइट में यहाँ से, तो ये जो हमारे पास सी है ये रेड सी होता है, ये मेडिटेरियन सी. आई एम ट्राइंग टू शो यू बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेक इट मैनी टाइम्स इन योर स्टडी, ज्योग्राफी स्टडी, एंड ज्योग्राफिकल अपीयरेंस मस्ट बी नोन बाय यू. तो 40 डिग्री जो मेडिटेरियन सी के पास एरिया है यहाँ पर दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट आर फॉर्म्ड. एंड मेडिटेरियन फॉरेस्ट एज इट इज़ नेम इंडिकेट्स, राइट, नेम से हमें क्लियर हो जा रहा है तो दिस बायोम इज़ लार्जली कन्फाइंड टू द मेडिटेरियन एरिया एंड कोस्टल एरिया. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सी के पास जो एरिया होगा दैट वुड बी कोस्टल एरिया ऑफ द मेडिटेरियन सी. However, this zone has developed in both the hemispheres between 30 to 40 लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्जिट्यूड. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया, राइट, दैट दिस वन एंड दिस वन नॉर्थ एंड साउथ लैटिट्यूडनल वैल्यू. एंड वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट, इट कम्स इन द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. मोस्ट ऑफ द रेनफॉल अकर्स इन विंटर्स and summers are practically dry. Very unique feature in this area. Rainfall occurs in the winter and usually summers are dry. In summers there is no rainfall, less rainfall. We cannot say that no rainfall. There is less rainfall in this area. That type of these are Mediterranean type of forest. This biome is known for its chaparral, CHAPPARL, because the temperature is moderate under the influence of cool moist air of ocean. I am repeating this sentence. The biome is known for its chaparral. Temperature is moderate under the influence of cool moist air of the ocean. The biome is characterized by broad-leaved evergreen vegetation. Extraordinary feature, broad leaf evergreen, for evergreen leaves type of trees, and it is made of fire resistance plants and drought adapted animals. देखो यहाँ पे इस टाइप के एनिमल्स और ये होता है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट योर फोर्थ type of the forest. Okay, fourth we'll do in next. Once again we'll revise this one only. First I told you regarding biome, and that is first one is tropical deciduous rainforest. Then second one is tropical deciduous forest, that is savan, and third one is Mediterranean scrub forest. तो देखो इसमें अलग अलग 3 points you have to mention regarding their unique feature. In this way we have studied about till now what is biome, its different 8 kinds, and 3 I have explained you. Dear students, go through. Thank you. Bye.